Dear students, hope you are doing fine. I am also fine. Today I am SME Design Assistant Teacher in English at Police Lines School and College BOGURA with the students of class 7, and our today's class will be held on English second paper, and our today's topic capitalization and punctuation. And you know that this very item is set in your question paper, and this item contains 5 marks, so you have to put emphasis on this item. But a significant number of the students are very much careless about this item. But if you learn some rules, then you will easily be able to punctuate it and capitalize the word correctly and easily. So today we are going to learn about capitalization, and this is the part 1 of capitalization and punctuation. In the next class we will learn about punctuation then, but today we are going to learn about capitalization. Okay, let's get started on the board, and we are going to learn some rules about capitalization or use of capital letters, and listen and look at the board with care and attention. Then learn some rules and then practice. I think you will be able to use the capital letters in your answer papers. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now we are going to learn the capitalization. 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 We are going to learn the use of capital letters. Use of capital letters. Use of capital letters. Use of capital letters. That means when to use the capital letters in the text or in your paragraph or in your any kinds of writings, and we are going to learn these rules. Rule number 1. A proper noun begins with a capital letter. Notice or look at the board that we have written a proper noun begins with a capital letter. That means any kinds of proper noun, that means the name of a particular thing, place, substance must begin with the capital letter. Rahman is a doctor, as this is the name of a particular individual. So this is the proper noun, and the proper noun begins with the capital letter R. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. So Dhaka. This is the name of the particular city, and this is the proper noun. So the proper noun begins with the capital letter D. This is the first rule. The proper noun begins with a capital letter. Now look at the another rule. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. The first word of a sentence begins with capital letter. Capital letters. And look at the board. The rule number 2, the first word of any sentences. So when you are going to write something, then at the first sentence, the first sentence or the first word of the first sentence, then or any sentence will be written in capital letters. The name of our country is Bangladesh. So this is a single sentence, and the very first word, the, and this word begins with the capital letter T. Then look at the another example. Proper use of time must be ensured. Proper use of time must be ensured. This is the sentence, and the first word proper, this word begins with the capital letter P. So this is the second rule. Now let's switch to the third rule. Rule number 3. The title of a person or an individual begins with capital letters, whenever or when it comes before the particular person. So look at the rule number 3, the title of a person. A person may contain different types of title. That means Dr. Shihab. Here the title of Shihab is doctor. So the title doctor must begins with the capital letter D. Doctor Kibria is very friendly. So here the name of a person Kibria and the title of the name is doctor, and the title begins with the capital letter D. Then Professor Khairul Alam is a learned person. So here the title, the professor, and this very title begins with the capital letter P. This is the rule number 3. Now switch to the another rule number 4. Rule number Rule number 4. The pronoun I. The pronoun I is always capitalized whenever it is used. That means the pronoun I, when the pronoun I is used in a sentence as a subject, then this pronoun will always be used as capital letter. That means I have a storybook. I have a storybook. This is the pronoun I, and this pronoun is capitalized here. Then we may another sentence. We may write another sentence. I like reading books. Here the pronoun I is capitalized, because we know that the pronoun I is always capitalized whenever it is used. Then the rule number 5. Rule number 5. The name of the position of high ranking government officials begins with capital letters. Here notice the rule that the name of the position of high-ranking government officer. And high-ranking government official, it may be like this: the president. This is the position of high-ranking government officer. The president, Bill Clinton. The Attorney General, Mr. Tony Blair. So this is the name of the high-ranking government official. And this name of the high-ranking government official must begin with the capital letters. President Bill Clinton is a very popular person. So here the name of the position that the Bill Clinton holds, the name of this position is president. And this position or name of the government position, president, begins with the capital letter P. That means Attorney General. This is the name of the government position, high-ranking government position, and this title or this ranking begins with the capital letter A. The Attorney General, Mr. Attorney General Rahman is a wise person. So this is the name of the high-ranking position, Attorney General, and this position or name of the position of the government official, Attorney General, and this begins with the capital letter A. So this is the fifth rule. Now the rule number 6. The name of the famous books, magazine or film, etc. begins with capital letter. Begins with capital letters. That means the name of the any famous books. Famous books means it may Gulliver's Travels. It may be the Robinson Crusoe. These are the world famous. And these types of name of the books of magazine or any kinds of newspaper, and everything will be written in capital letters. That means the Gulliver's Travels is a famous book. Is a famous book. So this is the name of the particular book, the Gulliver's Travels. And you may write the Arabian Nights is a very interesting storybook. So here the Arabian must begin with the capital letter A or A. So this is the today's class, and this is the part 1 of capitalization and punctuation. And in part 1 we already learned some rules about the capitalization. But in the next class, that means the part 2, we will learn about the punctuation. And you know that both the capital letters and punctuations are set in your question paper. So we have to learn both the two items, capitalization and punctuation. And today we learn the capitalization. This is the part 1. And the part 2, that is in the next class, we will learn about the punctuation. Okay, thank you, and hope you will be benefited from the today's class and learn or practice these rules with care and attention. So thank you, and stay home, stay safe, and stay blessed. Thank you all.